Your brain controls everything you do. It makes it possible for you to think, learn, create, and feel emotion, to blink and breathe, and for your heart to beat. This fantastic control center is your brain. It is so amazing that a famous scientist once called it the most complex thing we have yet discovered in our universe. Trying to make sense of the brain isn't easy. We know it's the organ that makes us human by giving us the ability to create art and language, making decisions, and produce rational thoughts. It's also responsible for our personalities, memories, movement, and how we understand the world. Can this small gray organ, which weighs less than 1.5 kilos, really do so much? Amazingly, your brain contains about 100 billion microscopic cells called neurons. It would take you over 3,000 years to count them all. Whenever you dream, laugh, think, see, or move, it's because signals are racing between these neurons. Believe it or not, the activity in your brain never stops. Your neurons create and send more messages than all the phone in the world. And although one neuron creates only a small amount of electricity, all your neurons put together can produce enough electricity to power a light bulb. So, exactly how fast does your brain work? Well, imagine this. A bee lands on your foot. Neurons in your skin send this information to your brain at a speed of more than 240 kilometers per hour. Your brain then uses other neurons to send the message back to your foot to shake the bee off quickly. These neurons can send this information at more than 320 kilometers per hour. No computer has your brain's incredible ability to cope with the amount of information coming from your eyes, ears, and other sensory organs. But how does your brain allow you to learn things that you will use in the future? The structure of your brain changes every time you have a new thought, remember, or learn something. For example, riding a bike seems impossible at first, but soon you are able to do it. How? As you practice, your brain sends bike riding messages again and again. Soon, the actions are learned and you are able to ride a bicycle easily from then on. How quickly we learn things varies from persons to person, but there are some things which can help us to learn faster, and surprisingly, exercise is one of them. We know that any exercise that makes heart beat faster is great for our body and can help improve our mood. But we know less about the effects of exercise on learning. However, scientists have recently discovered that for a period of time after you have exercised, your body produces a chemical that makes it easier for your brain to learn. So, if you are stuck on a homework problem that is too difficult to solve, go out and play a game of football. Then try the problem again. You might discover that you are able to solve it after all.